Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought that it would be fun to do a new series called Wear Test Wednesday, where I take like a semi-new makeup product and put it on my face and just wear it throughout the day and kind of give you updates on how it wears and like a small review at the end of the video. So for today, we are starting with the Tarte Hydroflex Serum Foundation. I picked this up at Sephora the other day and I thought that I would just kind of try it out and let you guys know how it performs. I know that these types of foundations are really popular right now, like tinted moisturizers, like skin tints, like serum foundations, like all of that is like really in. So I wanted to give one a try and I chose this one. So we're gonna go ahead and wear it today. It's actually what's on my face, but if you wanna see how it applies, go ahead and keep on watching. And then I will update you guys. The shade that I got is 36S Medium Tan Sand. I had actually got a different shade, but I swatched it on myself and it ended up being too dark, so I went ahead and exchanged it for this one. So hopefully this one is a better match. I'm going to start by priming my face. For my primer, I'm going to be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, which is one of my absolute favorite primers. I'm just going to take a couple pumps and put it on my face. We're gonna go ahead and use that. It says to shake well, so I'm shaking well. So let's just go ahead and put some on the back of my hand. So as you can see, it's very liquidy. The only thing is I wish you could like stand it up because the bottom is round. You kind of have to just like lay it down. Okay, so I'm gonna take my finger, just pop this on my face. Okay, I just put on however much I think is good. I mean, do whatever you think is good. I always put on about this much every time I do foundation with any foundation, unless I know it's like super full coverage. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and start with this, and then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend this out. This color is definitely much better than the one that I had. I can already tell you that. And it's blending out so easily. And it's so thin that it almost feels like a moisturizer going on your face, if that makes any sense. Like, it's really lightweight and it does look to be medium coverage. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little bit more, just kind of right here where there's blemishes. I know it's not gonna cover it, but I'm just gonna take a little bit more, like not a ton, like barely any. I think what I used was a good amount because I know that this foundation isn't full coverage, so I'm not trying to completely cover everything. Just kind of want to make sure it all just looks even. I mean, for being medium coverage, that covered that little pimple like pretty good, so that's exciting. Okay, so let's move on to concealer. I'm just going to use my MAC Studio Fix concealer. I'm in the shade NC30, and I'm just gonna put a little bit here, down the bridge of my nose, there, here. Taking the same sponge, I'm gonna blend. Okay, so there's the concealer. So far, I really like this foundation. I have oily skin, so hopefully this holds up well, especially because it's really hot today, so we will see. We might go out later, so I think I'm definitely going to put it to the test later. But let's see. Right now it is 4:27. You can't tell, but it's about 4:30. So I'm going to wear this as long as I possibly can. And we're just going to see. Now I'm going to set my under eye with the Laura Mercier loose, what is this, translucent powder, which I always do. Okay. So while this bakes, I'm actually going to finish doing the rest of my face, and then we will be right back to fully start the wear. Alright guys, so my makeup is now done, and I'm gonna list everything that I used down below with all of the shades, the shade names of everything as well, so that you guys can go and check that out if you want to know what's on my face. But now it is 4:45 and I'm going to continue the day. I'm going to start doing my hair, and then I will check in every few hours just to kind of let you know how the foundation is wearing. Here it is right now on my face. It looks pretty good. Really smooth. I don't have any issues. It covered my pimple pretty well, so I would say that's really good for medium coverage. Anyway, yeah, that's my face right now. So I will see you guys in a few hours. Okay, so the sun is like directly in my face, but here is the foundation in natural light. I think it looks pretty good. It's actually already been on for an hour. I like did my hair, and now I need to go pick up one of my in-store pickup orders from Michael's, but I just wanted to quickly show you guys so far what it looks like. And it's, my car says it's 93 degrees, so yay. But yeah, this is it. So just wanted to show you guys, and then I'll keep updating. Hi guys, so it's about 2 o'clock in the morning now. I don't have my phone with me. I left it in my kitchen, but yeah, it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. And I just wanted to do a final check-in on my foundation. I just want to give you guys a quick little close-up on my face. As you can, I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but my nose, like from here down, has completely rubbed off, and that's totally fine because it's to be expected with foundations in general. Like my nose is usually the first thing to go when I wear foundation, so that is very normal for me at least. I also did eat, so I did like wipe my face and stuff, and I went to a few bars, so I mean, it just kind of happens when you're out. So for the most part, I think it's a good foundation. I think it lasted, like, honestly, I think it lasted pretty well. It did much better than I thought it would be for a serum foundation. Normally, like, I normally wear like full coverage, like long wearing foundations when I go out. But since I was doing this wear test, I figured I would put this one to the test. And honestly, it held up. It held up pretty well. So, yeah, it felt like I literally had nothing on, which is great. This foundation is super lightweight, and if you're looking for something like that, I definitely recommend it. So go ahead and check it out. I will have the link down below. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Thank you so much for sticking through, sticking by, and staying till the end. But yeah, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. I have 2 different Instagrams. One's like Disney dedicated if you're into Disney, and then of course there's my regular one. So without further ado, that is it, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.